Hey guys, Dennis here. How y'all doing? Welcome back. So, today it's time for an unboxing video. I've got a late birthday present for my sis from Germany, Kasha in Wonderland. So, I would like to introduce this video in a bit different way than normally. And if you are a subscriber to Kasha, you will know this. Hi guys, it's coffee time and time for an unboxing. Let's see what I've got. Gotta love black coffee. Black, no pussy coffee. Alright, let's see. I'm so excited because she's been killing me through the WhatsApp, telling me how awesome this present will be and that she is more excited than me for me opening it. So I can't wait what's in it. So let's go. Oh boy, I see a note and I already see what's on it. Okay, let's see. For my pussy, Coffee Pro. And then something like contain spoilers. And I also see this, and it says to open at the very last, after the spoilers envelope. Be a good bro and open it at the end of the video. Wow, I'm fucking excited. Let's see. I will open these two at the very last, like requested. So I'm going to put it right here. So no peeking for me. And now the box. I opened it. They came. Wow. Shall I do this blind or I don't know? Oh, I'm just going to do it like this. Oh, great. What have you done? All the little post-its. Wow. I don't know where to start. I just start anywhere in the box. And let's see. A cute little fellow from a movie that changed the genre. It's the Mystery Mini Funko. And it's a cute little fellow from a movie that changed the genre. Oh boy, I can't wait. I'm so excited because Kasha is also very nervous about this box. I don't know what she has planned for me, but let's see. Okay, I'm going to feel. I think this is Ghostface. It's Ghostface. Awesome. Oh, and like how Kasha always do this. Oh, it's so cute. It's very cool. Awesome. Look at it. I really enjoy this kind of stuff. Awesome. If you guys remembered, my last unboxing from Kasha contains a little Chucky, so they will be buddies, they will be friends to the end. And I think they're going to smoke some pot together and Ghostface is going to say, "What up?" Okay, I know that's cheesy, but oh well. Awesome. Right. For your man nights with the bros. A zombie bottle opener. Awesome. From the horror block. That is cool. Oh, that's very awesome. Look at that one. That's so cool. Check it out. That is very, very awesome. Cool. I like it. But now I have to drink beer. Well, I will get beer for my bros. I will stay healthy and drink some water or coffee. And I will open all the bottles for my bros. So, thanks. Awesome. Kind of looks like me. Okay. Why did I do that? Never mind. Right. Next up. To play with your bros at the washing room. LOL. It's a card game. The chopping block. Also from the horror block. And let's see. You did some very good observing my videos, because I did one vlog with the boys' night and we were standing at the washing room and we were smoking some cigars, drinking some whiskey, and also played some cards. So that's very cool. It's also an exclusive item, so that's very awesome. Oh, cool. It has a Joker, Pennywise. The King, Michael Myers. Hope you guys can see it very well. Oh, wow. That is so cool. The Joker. Well, it's the J, Jason. The Queen. Fucking Shining Twins. And the K, of course, Kruger. Awesome. That is so cool. Oh, there's more. Captain Spaulding. Samara. Billy. Hannibal. I forgot her name. Sorry, forgot her name. Alien. And Carrie. Queen of the Prom. Awesome. Very cool. Thank you so much. I mean, it's an exclusive item. I mean, don't you want to play cards? Maybe play some strip poker with certain people or stuff? Nah, awesome. I really think it's very, very cool. I'm definitely going to play it in the, with the boys. And then I will do a vlog especially for you. Awesome. Right, next up. That's a very, very sick film. When we went to Germany in Essen, she showed me this film. And there's a post-it on it. For my sick bro, as a reminder of the horror con. So that's very awesome. We went to Germany in Essen and she showed me this DVD. And I was like, whoa, that's very, very cool. But I already bought so many sick films and I was like, well, next time. And she just bought it for me. It's Guts of a Virgin. Awesome. You know, I'm sick. I like sick films and this film looks very, very sick. So I can't wait to watch this. Thank you so much. Really, really appreciate it. Awesome. Right, Oh wow, that's cool. That's very, very cool. It says, for learning purposes, because zombies are cute. And with a wink smiley face. And if I read it in the voice of Kasha, it's like, for learning purposes, because zombies are cute. And she does always like, so cute. Awesome. Document of Death. That is very cool. Awesome. I really like this cover, and well, it has a lot of interviews with directors: Max Brooks, George Romero, Simon Pegg, Robert Kirkman, Bruce Campbell, Greg Nicotero. Awesome. I'm meaning to get this for a long time. I never bought it, so I'm very, very glad that you got me this. So thank you so much. It's very awesome. Really appreciate it. Nice. You really know me, sis. That's kinda scary. Wow, next up. For reviews and your enjoyment. It's a Blu-ray of Accession. And it's uncut. And it looks very gory. So it's going to be in my to watch stack, and definitely will do a review of it. So that's very, very cool. Never seen it, but like I said, it looks very gory. I see a naked chick banging a dead guy. Typical my genre. So awesome. Damn, I really am sick, don't I? Oh well, too late. Well, you put so much stuff in this. Why? You're crazy, seriously. Another DVD. Gory Tales, Dead Time Stories. Awesome. It contains 3 small short horror films. Directed by George Romero. So that's very cool. The Valley of the Shadow, Wet, and House Call. Looks very cool. Directed by George Romero, so it's gotta be awesome. Well, I'm going to tell Shanna that we're going to watch something before we go to bed. Oh, if I get a divorce, it's your fault, sis. Awesome. Time for another sip of coffee. Another film, Saw Butchery, 9 Death. Awesome. Here it is. And the reason why I was smiling when saying awesome, I don't know German, but I can read torture porn, so that's awesome. Cool. Also uncut, so I don't know it, but I'm very excited right now. It's sadistic, torture porn, and a lot of gore, so I'm hooked. Wow. Well, it's good that you sent this box through Jeff, because I think when the customs will got this box and opened it, that it wouldn't be accepted here in the Netherlands. So good call, good thinking. There's another film, Cherry Tree Lane. Looks like a slasher. It's a very cool cover. Also, don't know the film, but it gets 4 stars by Empire, Total Film, and Little White Lies, so it's gotta be a very cool film. Here you go. I don't know if you guys seen it. Don't spoil me. I really like that sinister cover, so I'm very excited. And slashers are my favorite kind of genre, so awesome. Again, I really say a lot of awesomes. Maybe I have to use another word, but that's me. Oh, sis, you really overdone it. Seriously. I mean, wow. Okay, next up. Cookies. For your cats, aka the alarms. Well, I think they're going to be very happy with it. So, oh, it's a limited edition also. I hope my cats, when they eat it, don't trying to or going to speak German, because a German alarm, I don't know if that's very good, so let's hope not. Thanks. And I'm really going to save all the post-its, so that's cool, for a reminder. Right, next up, to show people who's alpha killing zombies. Zombie Hunter dog tags. Wow. That's cool. Let's see if I can... Oh, cool. That is awesome. Look at that. It contains two dog tags. Oh. Shoot him in the head. Zombie Hunter. Shoot him in the head and they'll stay dead. And also 0. Zombie emergency response operations. I know if you can see it very clearly, but it is very, very cool. And I'm going to wear this also to work. I don't care what they will say. And when they say anything, my boss, I will say, hey, if you're a zombie or you're going to be a zombie, you'll be glad that I shoot you in the head. Cool. Awesome. I really like those kind of things. You really, really know me. I already said that, but I really mean it. So, thumbs up for that. Thumbs up. Wow. Next up. A little figure of an eel character. It's a Walking Dead Walking Dead mini figure. And when she says eel character, that has to be Rick Grimes. Yes, it is. It's very awesome. And it looks very detailed, by the way. Wow. Alright, seriously guys, you have to check that out. One sec. I know if my camera will focus good enough, but... Oh, it's a small, really small figure. But look at the face of Rick. It's very detailed. Very awesome. So, Rick approves. Hi there, Carla. I'm not you. I'm your wet dream. Okay, never mind that. But it's awesome. I'm going to put it together. And I will display it, of course. Very, very cool. Awesome. I don't know where you get all these things. I mean, we don't have this kind of stuff in the Netherlands. So that's cool that they have it in Germany. Well, maybe it's better that we don't have it in the Netherlands, because I know myself, then I want all, and then I get a divorce. Oh, are you fucking serious? You are crazy. You beloved Rick. Ew. Grimes. Puke. It's a Funko Pop of Rick Grimes, number 13. This is so awesome. Very, very awesome. Thank you so much. I really love it. And Rick is my second favorite character, so he's mine now. Ah, cool. Very cool. And I'm really going to let the post-it on it, so I can laugh every time when I see it. Very cool. Thanks. Wow. For them gains. It's a zombie egg apocalypse. An egg cup, spoon and toast cutter. Wow, look at that. That is so cool. Even has emergency zombie breakfast defense. Step 1. Assess the situation. Remain calm and ask yourself the following questions. Are you outnumbered? What weapons do you have available? And are you hungry? Step 2. Attack. Toast some bread. Use the cutter to assemble your toast arsenal. 3. At arm's length, dispatch a headshot with the shovel. So let's crack the egg. And this should result in demise of the zombie. You will know if you have been successfully by the yellow brain juice oozing from the skull. If this is visible, immediately issue the secondary blow. And step 3, consume. Utilize your remaining weapons to attack the inside of the skull, ensuring all the zombie brain is eaten. This will rid your breakfast table of danger and hunger. So that's cool. It's very, very cool. Also a great idea for a vlog, a breakfast vlog. So you bring a lot of good ideas for my next videos. Very good, because I haven't been very active on YouTube lately, so thanks. So awesome. Oh, cool. That is very, very cool. To show at the gym who's boss. It's The Walking Dead, soap on a rope, the ears, same one as Daryl has. Very cool. That is very awesome. I'm going to wear this. I'm going to, well, on chest day of course, you know, all the cocks. Well, I mean not cocks as in penis, but cocks as in cuckoo. My chest like this, with the ears here, and my zombie dog tags. I was like, how much can you lift, bro? Okay, I'm crazy. It's very cool. Oh, it doesn't smell rotten, so that's a good thing. Awesome. That is very, very cool. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It's very insane box. You really overdone it. I already asked you not to do that, but well, you're crazy. I can't stop you. So thank you. Very, very appreciated. It's very awesome. I'm going to open the envelopes now. First up, the little white one for the pussy coffee bro. That's me. Let's see what's in it. It's a letter. Wow. Hi bro. Totally delayed and totally not overdone. Yes it is. I hope that you like the little presents that I'm sending you. This package includes gross stuff because you're sick, something for your cats, something to have fun with your bros, something for the games, some ew gross character, and a very special present that Jeff made. If you have been a good bro and didn't open it yet, you might go ahead and do it about now. I am not sure you want people to see it, lol. Lots of hugs for your coffee sis. Oh boy. I really think that this envelope contains something that has to do with my guilty pleasure. If you guys seen my videos, then, and also Carla's video of course, then you have heard a couple of times about my guilty pleasures and that she is blackmailing me for telling you guys about it. So I think this has something to do with it. And if so, well, then you're about to witness my guilty pleasure. So let's take another sip of coffee and then open it up. Oh boy. Oh my god, I'm so afraid to open it. I will do it blind. It feels like a photo. Okay. Oh, this is so fucking awesome. This is so cool. Well, as you can see, this is Shanna and me. But you can, well, see the whole setting. I think you guys will recognize it. This is my guilty pleasure, guys. I really am a big fan of this film. And seriously, I can quote the whole film, know all the songs and even know all the dances. But this, wow. Damn, I want to have some more hair right now. Because that's very cool. Oh, Jeff, you fucking sicko. I really like it. And sis, wow, really appreciate it. This is going to be in our living room. Seriously. I know Shanna is, well, here now. I will call her. One sec. Oh. Kun je eens even komen? Op kamer. Shanna just told me that she is all dressed up now because she's going to have a trip with her work and she has some benefit, well, not a benefit concert, I don't know how to call it. So she's like, well, I'm all in a dress, maybe it's a bit weird, but no worries, doesn't matter. I hope she will come to show her. So you can see also her reaction. This is priceless. Wow. Oh, here she comes. Ah, she's all dressed up. Cool. Well, I got a whole box of incredible stuff.
Yeah.
And for the last one, this envelope, I had to open it last. Because it's something Jeff made. And I'm going to put it in the living room. I don't know if they can see you, maybe they can only see your boobs. Titties! Right. Let's see the reaction. Turn around. That's very awesome. Look how good that hair looks on me.
Yeah. I look great as Sandy.
Let's sing a song.
Super cool.
Very awesome. I'm really going to put it in the living room. Seriously.
He made it by himself.
He made it by himself.
Very cool.
Awesome.
Super creative.
So, yeah, that's it.
Okay.
I just want to show
Then
you
I'm
the
going
rest.
again because I was trying some clothes on.
Alright, well, you guys, this was the unboxing. Sis, I'm very, very happy with this box. You really overdone it. I know you said you haven't, but you really had. But I love every single item in the box. Very, very cool. Really appreciate it. And well, I know your birthday is on the 24th of August. So beware. Beware, sis. I will get you. You guys, if you like this video, put a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. Sharing is caring, so please do. But most importantly, go subscribe to my sis Kasha in Wonderland. I will put her link down below. She has awesome videos, great unboxings, very great girl, my sis. I'm very proud of. Also, she's also working out at the gym, working her butt off. So she's going to be a She-Hulk. So go subscribe to her because she's awesome. You guys, I want to wish you guys a very nice evening.
Kom maar. Oh, wat is dat? Kom maar. Die? Die? Kom dan. Waar? Eddie. Eddie. Psst, 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 psst. Eddie. Hier. Was lekker?